So what is your name?
Sir, my name is Anchal.
Anchal, tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Anchal Ojha. My father name is Mr. Dinesh Kumar Ojha. Basically, I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. About my family, there are 5 members in my family, including me. About my qualification, I had completing my school in year 2019. After my schooling, I had completed my graduation from Ipros University Rewa in year 2019. After my graduation, I had completed my full stack development certification from ProSkillHub.
Okay, perfect. So what are your hobbies, Anchal?
So my hobbies is listening song and playing cricket.
Okay. What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is English, but I'm working on it.
What are your strengths?
My strength is self-depend and discipline.
Okay. So what are the languages you have covered during your full stack development certification?
In a full stack development certification, I had covered 2 languages. In a front end, I had covered HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, etc. And in a backend, Ruby on Rails and MySQL databases.
Okay, perfect. So have you made any project?
Yes, sir. I have completed 2 projects. First is e-commerce. Second is city information.
To explain your recent project, please.
Okay, sir. Sir, my recent project is e-commerce, which is based on e-commerce like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. It is a I am working in a project, so added many functionalities and features. But my role is authentication and authorization. Authentication and authorization is created by the help of GEM device, and I had also give the role of admin, supplier, and customer with the help of Rolify GEM, where admin is control the supplier and manage the supplier and customer both, and supplier is a control the customer, and his role is add the product in card, and customer role is add the product in a card and purchase the product, and also give the functionality of payment gateway method.
Okay. What are the technologies you have used for creating that project?
What, sir?
What are the technologies you have used for creating that project?
Ruby on Rails.
Okay. So you must be aware about some different types of gems, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is Rolify gem?
Rolify gem is used for the give role for uh, multiples like supplier, admin, and controller.
Okay. What is Stripe gem?
What's it?
What is Stripe gem?
No ideas.
Okay. So what is migration in Ruby on Rails?
Okay, sir. So migration is used for our application for managing the schema of our application.
What is MVC?
MVC is stand for Model View Controller, where model we created a databases in data in a databases, and also it handle the validation and view are handle the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also, it handle the HTML, and controller are control the view and model.
Okay, what is ORM?
ORM is stand for Object Relational Mapping. It is manipulate data in a databases, and it is also used for the Ruby gem.
Okay. What is the use of scaffolding?
Scaffolding is a quick way to generate some pieces of measure in an application. When we create a model view controller in a single pieces of model, so uh, scaffold is a good tools for job.
Okay. How is multi-level inheritance different from multiple inheritance?
Multi-level inheritance is used for the two uh, one child parents classes and two or more than child classes, but multiple inheritance is used for two parents classes and multiple child classes.
What is the difference between delete and truncate?
Delete is used for the all deleted particular data in a table, and truncate is used for the all data in a table.
What is SQL joins?
SQL join. SQL join is a used to combine the two or more than other table. There are four type of join. First is a inner join, second is a self join, third is a cross join, and fourth is a outer join. And outer join also have two type. First is a left join and second is a right join.
Okay. So, what is polymorphism?
Polymorphism is a mechanism object-oriented programming language. It is used for the it is used for the two combination of two words. First is a poly. Poly means many, and morphism means form. An object having different behavior is called polymorphism.
Okay. Give me a real life example of abstraction.
Yes, sir. The real life example of abstraction is our smartphone. We use a smartphone for listening song, calling, messaging, and other feature and other uses of our requirement, but we don't know how it works.
Perfect. What is action cable?
Action cable is a framework of real-time communication over WebSocket.
What is asset pipeline?
Asset pipeline is a set the our assets of applications such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML and CSS assets, etc.
Okay. So, what are the advantages of Ruby on Rails?
Advantage of Ruby on Rails, it is an short it is a short lines of code provided, and it is a solving problem also, and it is used for the making a program for a application so easy for completing the task
Okay, it is easy to
in a
complete the
short
task.
time.
Okay. What is Docker?
Docker is a software platform where we build, create, and deploy the application quickly.
Okay. So, what is Sidekick?
Sidekick is also a platform where we uh, where we not handle in a runtime, and it also provide a known as.
Okay. Basically, handles the background jobs, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the difference between a runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism?
Compile time polymorphism is called overloading polymorphism. When we create a method for a different name and different same name and same classes but different argument, it's called a compile time polymorphism. And a runtime polymorphism is also called a runtime polymorphism is called a riding polymorphism. When we create a method in a same name but different classes, it's called a runtime polymorphism.
What is garbage collection?
Garbage collection is a garbage collection is a method where all automatically it is used for automatically generate a space, and when we not use the space in our memory, so it is also deleted.
Okay. What is CRUD?
CRUD. CRUD is a method where we generate some pieces of some features of an application used for like create, deploy, and delete, and etc.
What is API?
API is a software where we exchange our information from two software system with the help of internet.
Okay. So Anshul, are you a fresher or an experienced?
Sir, I have 1 year experience in a Ruby on Rails.
What is the name of the company you're working for?
Pro skill IT solution Riva.
Uh, So what is the working schedule there?
The working time is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay. So are you comfortable to relocating to different city?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's the salary expectation?
So my salary expectation is 4 to 5 LPA.